What's up, everybody? It's David. Welcome back to the channel. We're with Austin today. Austin's our good friend, also known as Arbach, also known as Human Killer, also known as Crowd Killer, also known as Branson Gapper, Misa Gapper, Chase Gapper. But so this is a 2004. Oh shit! There's the real Austin.
Oh my god!
That was Austin 2 years ago. But today we're back in Austin's 2004 Mustang Cobra Terminator. Is that the right?
Yes.
Yes, the Terminator. Alright, so what's a Terminator? What separates that from another Mustang?
The Terminators were the 0304 Cobras. They're the first supercharged Mustang that was made pretty much those years. They did have a turbo one in '86, but we don't count it as a four-cylinder like Misa's slow little Civic thing. And but they call it a Terminator because it put the Trans Am and the Camaro out of production for about 6 years.
They terminate other cars. So, it's got some stuff done to it. What's done to it?
It's got an upper 2.8 pulley, intake, off-road X, MagnaFlow exhaust. What else does it have done? Just got brand new brakes, rotors from StopTech.
New clutch, right?
Yeah, new clutch, big stage 3 clutch with a steel flywheel and a 26-spline input shaft. So it's just pretty much a bolt-on car.
How much power is it putting down?
Just under 500.
So just under 500. That's pretty good. How light is it?
3850.
3850. Not bad. That's about 1,000 pounds lighter than my Hellcat. So the yacht killer. So yeah, we're gonna show you guys. I like Austin's car. It's really loud. You never see Mustangs from this era or this year that are this clean. Usually they're beat to shit or delivering pizza like we just saw. If you look, it's only got 66,000 miles. That's pretty good for being, what, now 14 years old, I guess.
Yeah, 14.
We're in 2018,
yeah.
So it's now 14 years old. It's really clean. He's updated it with little Pioneer 7-inch screen.
I still have the connector.
It's, I mean, these cars are pretty basic, but for being the year that they're from, I think they're really well equipped. It's got a lot of blower wine, so, we're gonna do a couple little pulls for you guys, show you how quick this little guy is. If you're looking for humans to hit, where are the crowds? Where are the crowds?
We'll follow that guy, he'll find him. First gear, spin it.
This car is pretty freaking fast. I mean, any 500 horsepower car that's on the street is going to be pretty fast. But I see why they get the rap. This thing spins like crazy. It just... When does it hook? Third, maybe?
Second.
Halfway through second?
I can hook in second, but with it being cold too.
Yeah, it's pretty cold out right now. It's just spinning a little bit. There's a fella Mustang owner.
He's a GT 2-valve peasant. We don't talk about
Oh, yeah. Okay, so this is a
4-valve.
4-valve, sorry. This is a 4-valve. V8 American Bald Eagle Snake Muscle Terminator. That sounds good. How long have you had the car?
I've had this one about a year and a half now. I had a silver one before this that was it was just a bolt-on car. But I will say if anybody's wanting to buy one, I consider them like the Supras, how they'll continue to go up in value. I put 30,000 miles on my silver car, got it for 21 and sold it for 21. So they're holding resale value very nicely.
How much did these go for brand new back in the day? I say back in the day.
Back in the day. Hey, I mean, I can almost get classic plates, so. The 10th anniversary, which would be only 03, those cars went for like 33, and I think the Mistochromes went for like 33, 34. So that was the top of the line from Ford with their Mustang. You could get a supercharged car that only made 390 to the wheel back then, but back then that's
a lot of power.
That's way more than what anybody else is making.
Yeah. Why do you choose a Mustang? Because you're our only friend that has one.
Yeah, I mean, I really just like the way they look. I think I like the Terminators a lot. I had a GT before this, and see, I don't like the new Mustangs. I don't. But I've just always been into them.
All right. Any other Mustang you would choose? Which one would it be?
It's not a classic, or just
you don't have a price range. You can buy any Mustang you want. Oh,
like
shit.
that. By the way, this clutch sucks.
Austin still can't use the clutch. We're gonna cut that out. All right. Any other Mustang you could have besides this one if you had unlimited funds?
Shit. A 1314 GT500, or
you only get to pick one. There's no or.
Oh, just one.
You get to pick one.
Yeah, probably a 70 Mach 1.
70 Mach 1.
Yeah.
Why?
Just there's little design changes from the 69 to the 70 Mach, and it's classic. I love the fastback.
And so this Austin is 2004 Mustang. That's a review on it. I think it's a cool car. I've never driven one, but they're pretty quick for the year that they are. I think they were ahead of their time as far as any other muscle cars that were coming out that year. They're just out here terminating other vehicles. But this is Austin. Make sure you follow him at SVT Austin. He's actually moving to Oklahoma City, where he went to school. So we're gonna miss him. We're in Amarillo, but we're not that far away. But if you're in OKC and you want to see a badass Terminator, make sure you go look at Austin's. And what the heck do the plates mean?
It goes for Arbok, which was the Cobra Pokemon from the first generation. And me being a 90s kid, I grew up playing Pokemon, and I just always thought it'd be a cool plate.
So that's gonna do it for today's video. Make sure you always comment, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram and Snapchat at VanV39. We'll see you guys on the next one.